Hello, today I'm going to introduce how to use our unload tap changer analyzer. We can use our mobile phone to control this device. Let us connect the device first. We press system, Bluetooth, and we scan the QR code here. Okay, you can see the screen on the mobile phone and the analyzer is same. We press test. And the connection type we choose YN, and the direction we choose upward. We can, if you there's upward and downwards, and also we can just change everything on our mobile phone. And the phase we choose 3 phase, current we choose 1 ampere, and the trigger resistance we choose 0.5, and then we press test. And it will start to charging, and we press test here, and it shows like the change tap switch. We just change tap switch. Okay, and here comes the test result and the curve, and we can like the enlarge and just enlarge the curve or reduce curve. And also we can like the save. We can save it, and also we can print it. Yeah, on the test result it shows like the resistance times and curves, and also okay. And if we have saved the test result, we can just check the record here. Okay, that's how to use our unload tap changer analyzer.